Okay, hello everybody. The So I lost the challenge. You have probably seen, or maybe not, in the video where I bought the DxD body pillow. I ordered it and it has finally come. So I'm gonna unbox it. Here it is. I thought it was gonna come in actually a longer package because like it was a pretty long um pillow, but I think it's just squished in there. Okay, know how to set this up. Okay. Okay, there it is. I can start finally seeing it. Alright, finally. I mostly gotten it off already. Wait a second. Okay, here it is. It's really long. This is one of the sides, and this is the other one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.